Yo, 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 it's raining, but today is gonna be a fun video, I think. I'm excited to do it. Look at this. Like, what? None of my neighbors are here? This never happens. Damn. All right, let's go. Got something for the F30 today, but right now I'm taking the Prelude. Ooh, yeah, Stay Dicey. Met the Stay Dicey crew back last weekend at the Manchester car meet. That was sick. Let's see if we can get this to start on the first try. Just for some good measure. Nice. Today I thought it'd be kind of a fun video to take you guys mountain biking with me. I've been kind of like notioning at the topic for a little bit. I don't know if any of you guys have caught on to that, mostly on Instagram and stuff, but I do a lot of mountain biking in the spring and summertime, and it's that time. Right now I've got the bike in the Prelude, and it's been a real pain in the ass to like take off both wheels and stuff this thing in the trunk. So I do have a roof rack in storage that goes on top of the beam. I want to go pick that up today and put that on there because a lot of people shit on the roof rack, right? Everybody puts a roof rack on their car, or roof racks are overdone. I use my roof rack, guys. I use it as a roof rack. I need it because there's no way I'm putting a bike in there. I'm just not gonna do that. Why would I ruin the interior? So I put the roof rack on because it makes a whole lot of sense. So that's my point, and that's the point of today's video. Right now I'm gonna go over the storage unit, pick up the roof rack, and then we'll hopefully get to installing this. It says it's only gonna rain for an hour or two, so fingers crossed, because riding on muddy trails can be less fun, but also more fun, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll take it. You guys know the drill. Oh, it's a mess in here. Yikes. So many car parts. Got the winter wheels, got the Prelude mud flaps, Prelude spare tire, Prelude side skirts, and then somewhere in here is my roof rack. Got everything we need. Let's go. Save the planet, bro. Don't waste electricity. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put on this roof rack, and we'll throw the bike on afterwards and hopefully head to the trails and get started. So just pop open all of these tabs just like that. There's 4, 2 more on that side. Now we'll start with this one says front right, so basically just go ahead. I'm actually gonna put the camera down so I don't drop this, just drop it in on each side carefully so you don't scratch your paint. Next, you just want to tighten this down. Start threading it in kind of without any tension on it, and then start really threading it in because you don't want to cross thread it. You should get it to the right torque so your roof rack doesn't come flying off, and that's that. Pop that down, and you can use the key to lock it so no one can undo it. Now it's basically the same thing for the rear. Just make sure that you're putting it on the right side. So this one says rear right, so right meaning passenger side. So here's what it looks like with just the BMW roof rack on it. Not bad, not bad. I'm not a huge fan of the design. I think it stands a little too tall, but that's just my opinion. Next, we gotta put on the bike rack. Funny enough, I actually picked up this Yakima from off Craigslist from some lady in the neighborhood. So she was selling it for like 30 bucks. And I make really good use of it. So let's put this on the rack. Boom, bike is on the car. By the way, guys, I ride a Diamondback A-Tros, full suspension. It's pretty chill. Funny story, I ordered what I thought was a different color pattern. It was like similar blue, but with like a dark blue. It said Diamondback on the bottom, and yeah, they sent me this one. I'm indifferent on it. I mean, it's a sick bike, but the color scheme is meh. Check out this. Remember what I was talking about with the wanting my trunk to still be functional with the air tank back there? Yeah. Got one tire in there, one bike up there, and I actually borrowed Ryan's bike the other day, so I got his bike in the back seat, tank right there, his tire right here. Dude, what? Yo, just got to the spot and check it out. I just copped a quick thumbnail because it's looking good. Bam! One more quick one. No one's here right now, so this is clutch. Dude. Right there, that's the money shot. So I guess now we may as well just wait for the homies. Actually, Ryan may not be coming. Girlfriend problems. Not problems, he just has to go pick her up from work. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my bike pretty much ready to go, and then Dan should be here soonish. So let's get the bike together. So one reason I made this video is to show you guys that some people actually do use their roof racks, and not every time you see a roof rack it's just for show. Like this thing, I don't really necessarily love how it looks. I actually really don't care for it all that much, but again, it's functional. I need it so that way I can use this car to do things like that. My biggest gripe with these BMW OEM crossbars is they're very noisy, like whistle wise. My suspicion is it's these tabs right here that kind of go along the bottom. I think with the air passing underneath it, it actually creates that whistling. So I don't know, that's my biggest gripe. And then how they look, I wish they weren't quite as tall, but the sunroof of course does need to pop open, so that's functional. But outside of that, it does match the wheels really well. The crossbars being that brushed aluminum, it really does kind of accent the wheels nicely. I have yet to put on any eyelids here, so it's really silver and again matches the top. Just want to take a second to appreciate all the new mods on this thing. So like the fog lights, I think those really add a nice look to the front. I mean, it's just like a nice accent color, and same goes for the crossbars. I did those in white, which I think really just makes it look really cool, especially when the angel eyes are on and it's white on white. Can't forget about that new interior white trim though. Pretty lit. If you're thinking about getting a roof rack, I would highly suggest you look into getting a wind guard and playing around with different styles of those, because I think, and I want to do it, but I think that will improve. It'll just hopefully get rid of that whole whistling thing, I guess is my point. For now, I'm just gonna work on my wheelies because I really suck at them, and I'm just gonna do that until Dan gets here, and then hopefully we can play some bikes. Bruh.
What up, boy?
Kid's got that new carbon fiber bike though. Woo. How you living? Dan, you wanna just tell us a little bit about your new bike?
Yeah, man. It's a 2018 Santa Cruz Nomad Carbon S.
Carbon
with
boys.
The RockShox Lyric and the Super Deluxe in the back. 27 5-inch wheels, alloy rims. It's a pretty sweet rig. 170 millimeters of travel in the front and rear. A lot of squish in the tush. She's a fun little girl to ride.
Yeah, this thing's sick. You guys know about the carbon fiber. All right, ladies and gents, this is the rig. This is the setup today. I got the GoPro Hero 4. Thank you, Davis, for hooking it up, making it, putting some good use to it, I would say. I did some riding with it the other day, and it's kind of stable. It's not too bad. The audio sucks, so I might just end up covering today's footage with some music or something. I don't know. We'll see how it comes out. Ready to go. Switching over to GoPro. you guys enjoy the mountain biking stuff with Dan and whatnot, put a comment down below, because I would love to do some more of that type of content. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you on the trail next time, and I will see you in the next elevated video. Peace.